Hello, my friend. Welcome to TotallyTalk English. I'm Grace. Today's lesson is a little different. We are not just going to listen. We are going to speak together. This is called shadowing practice. Shadowing means you listen to a sentence, and then you say it out loud yourself. Not in your head. Out loud, with your real voice. This is one of the fastest ways to improve your English speaking. Today we are going to practice ordering at a cafe. Here is how it works. I will say a sentence 2 times. Each time you hear it, say it out loud with me. Say it clearly. Say it confidently. Even if it feels uncomfortable, say it anyway. That is how real improvement happens. Ready? Let's begin. Let's start with some simple phrases. Hello. Hello. Excuse me. Excuse me. Can I get something, please? Can I get something, please? I would like a coffee. I would like a coffee. How much does that cost? How much does that cost? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Wonderful. You are already speaking English. Now let's try a real cafe conversation. Imagine you walk into a coffee shop. I will play both sides, the staff member, and you, the customer. When I speak as the staff, just listen. When you hear your line 2 times, say it out loud with me. Let's go. The staff member says, Hi. Welcome to the coffee house. What can I get for you today? Hi. Can I get a medium cappuccino, please? Hi. Can I get a medium cappuccino, please? The staff member says, Sure. Would you like that hot or iced? I'll have it hot, please. I'll have it hot, please. The staff member says, Great. Would you like anything to eat with that? Yeah, do you have any vegetarian sandwiches? Yeah, do you have any vegetarian sandwiches? The staff member says, We have a grilled cheese and tomato panini. It's really good. That sounds perfect. I'll take one of those. That sounds perfect. I'll take one of those. The staff member says, Awesome. Is that for here or to go? To go, please. To go, please. The staff member says, All right. That'll be 450 rupees. Here you go. Here you go. The staff member says, Thank you. Your order will be ready at the pickup counter in a few minutes. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Amazing. You just completed a full cafe conversation in English. How did that feel? Now let me share 3 small tips to sound more natural. Tip 1. Instead of saying, Can-I-get-a, link the words together and say, Can-I-gedda. 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 Tip 2. Instead of saying, I will have it, say it naturally like this, I'll have it. I'll have it. I'll have it. Tip 3. To go simply means take away. And here you go is what you say when you hand over your money. Practice these small details. They make a very big difference. Before we finish, I want you to remember one thing. Listening is helpful. Watching is helpful. Studying is helpful. But none of those things can replace actually speaking. If you want to speak English confidently, you must speak English regularly. Even 5 minutes a day is enough. Open your mouth. Use your voice. Speak out loud. Because real improvement begins the moment you stop being only a listener and start becoming a speaker. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I'm Grace, and this is Totally Talk English. Keep speaking. Keep learning. And I'll see you in the very next session. Bye for now.